Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to set default apps on your iPhone or iPad. So let's get started. First of all, you need to open your iPhone settings, and once you setting you need to scroll down and you need to find like apps, and once you find your app section you need to tap on this area, and once you tap on the apps you will see this option like default apps. You need to find default apps, and once you find your default apps you can say like option, you need to find passwords and codes. Okay, so in the you can say default app section you will find password and codes. You need to select any kind of, you can say, application which is available on your you can say screen. You can choose any application, you can choose any application for your default app. You just need to toggle on the options, and you are done. But you need to keep in mind, in some cases you can only make your default app only for one, okay, at a time. And if this video helpful, please share your experience in our comment section, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.